Hello, beautiful, crafty, kindred souls, and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing um, this new journal that I started. It's like a large format journal. So I'm going to be sharing that with you. It's going to be spring themed because, well, at the filming of this video, it is spring where I live. Um, so yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So welcome to my channel. If you don't already know, like I have another channel that's a spiritual focused channel. And I created this channel because I wanted to kind of compartmentalize some of the content and yeah, just compartmentalizing some of the content that I'm creating. So this channel is going to be all my crafting stuff is going to be over here off of that primary channel. So again, this is a large format. Let me get a ruler. So this is a 8 3/4 inches by 12 inches. To fit 8.5 by 11, like standard US letter size paper. It's soft cover. It's made from recycled packaging. The base, so like, I don't know if you hear that, but that's like the brown, like this kind of recycled packaging from Amazon, of course. And then the fabric is actually recycled fabric samples from like a secondhand crafting store. So lots of recycle, reuse, renew sort of things for this project, and I love that. And I just put some lace on the spine because it's a very narrow, single signature, large format project. This is just sari silk. That's the closure. It's just like a grommet. And so it is going to be a waterfall journal. Again, I am working on this project. I recently started it. It's going to be a waterfall journal. Look at how pretty it is so far. It just brings me joy. And then I just put some storage on the inside panels, the front inside panel, which this is going to be a project. I just have this clipped here because I found this in one of my gardening books and I thought it was just like perfect and so beautiful for this project. Look at how pretty. Nature be wilding out, y'all. Listen. Okay. So this will be a storage component, and hopefully I'll do that on camera at some point. And then it opens out like this, and there is this double belly band here, so you can go in the back or in between the two pieces. I'll probably add some lace or trim or something like that to the edge of it to decorate it a little bit more. And then where this piece attaches onto it, there is this, what will be a little folio, which I just put some pieces. Let's see if I can open it up. So it's just a sheet of, can't even get it all on camera, 12 by 12 paper pad. I think it's called Rose Gold Quartz, the name of the paper pad. And that's where all of the papers inside of the waterfall journal came from. I was experimenting with waterfall journals, and I pretty much used all of the metal inlay pieces on another project, and so I was just like, well, let me just see what this waterfall journal is going to turn into, and I was just like playing around with it, and it turned out really well, so I made it a project. So this will be a folio. I'll probably like make a tuck here, probably add some pockets there. And then I was going to attach, I haven't decided if I'm going to sew it in. I probably won't sew it in. I'll probably just create a way for it to like slide in. But these are some of the digitals. These are some of the digitals that I've created. And throughout this project, I have digitals from other creatives as well. So there's just a few things in here right now. I'm not finished with it. So I made these like tall, skinny journal pages, digitals, and I printed them out, of course. So this collection, this is my spring collection, and it's currently on Etsy if you're interested in just checking it out. It's got like a really soft pastel palette. It's very kind of like spring and bloom, really beautiful and soft. So these are some of the other papers. This is the standard size. I have traveler's notebook size, and it comes with this collection has, of course, ephemera pieces and pockets and tags and all sorts of things. So if you are in the spring mood, which, whoop, spring today, so excited. I just, listen, sometimes winter just is so difficult, and and just struggling through, in the last few days it was just like winter is like, I'm not done yet, like where I live, and it's just been like whipping people around by the hair. And so this morning, 4 a.m. Was the first, it was like literally spring. The vernal equinox was this morning, and this morning was a little gray and cloudy because it was raining like cats and dogs yesterday, and it was cold and windy. But now the sun is out, and so it just feels like a transitionary moment. I'm just so excited. Okay, anyway. And then I just wanted to show the back. So the back is just this big pocket here, and I just have like bits stuffed in here. This is going to be a little project, etc. So I wanted to introduce this project, introduce my crafting channel, and I think I'm going to do this little bit here. So this is obviously the front of the Waterfall journal, and I just want to attach, I think I want to attach this little tuck spot here. So let's see what we got here. I think what I'm gonna do, oh, come on now. Excuse me. So this is not put together yet. So I'm just gonna slide this out. Move her over. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I wanted to do, I'm changing my plan. I wanted to do some stenciling as well. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, so let me see. I changed the plan. So I was just gonna attach this, but I think I want to do a little stenciling. Yeah, let me use this so I don't tear my little desk up, you know, with ink like that. Let's see. Okay, I have a feeling. So this is the binder that I have with all of my stenciling, and I have stencils, and I have a feeling that I didn't put away properly the stencil that I would have used. Okay, let's see. You see, I didn't clean them all off. I'm just out here. You know what? Maybe put that aside. I do have a floral one, and I feel like I used it the other day. And instead of being a good human, all right, split out. Let's see. Ooh, maybe this one. Maybe that one. That one's probably gonna be the winner chicken dinner on this one. I just want to look at a couple more. Let's see. Okay, I think we're gonna use this florally looking one. Okay. I think I'm gonna use this one. This one I need to clean that off because that ain't right. Okay. Changing, I'm switching up the plans. Okay. I'm like, should I just use, ooh. Here, what I'm gonna do, actually. Oof, ouch. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna like test this out a little on the back. See if I like it. Am I still in? Yeah, I'm still in. Takes deep concentration. I don't hate it, but I don't know if I want that to be. I have pink. I have fired brick. Okay, I have that on the bottom. See, see what happens when you put stuff back. Surprise, surprise. When you put stuff back, surprise, surprise, it is there when you need it. All right. So I am going to, I probably should have used, well, just cleaning this off, probably out of view. Okay. I'm gonna try out, let's see. That sounds juicier. I think my vintage photo has ooh, I like that. Let's just go with that. I like that. That's pretty. Now let's see if I can figure out how to I guess I can do that on my own time. See if I can line this up again and just put that little red over it. It'll be a different red, but I think it'll be nice. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do it on our cover. Let's see, do I want it everywhere? Maybe. I don't know. Just go here. So what are your plans for spring? Do you have any? I don't, and it's absolutely wonderful. I get to sit my behind at home and craft. I get to craft. do plan on like running out for a walk or something a little later, give it time to warm up a little bit more. Why am I using like every muscle to do this? Why? Why is this what's happening? Okay, cool. So I think that looks nice. Yeah, I probably should have put something between that, but it's okay because I'm gonna do something to that page as well. Let me just park this off. Actually, good idea, girl, is to just clean this up right away. Okay. All right. I think I'm also going to just do a little around the edges. Add our edge. I think I'm gonna glue it down. Should I glue it down and then cut it, or